Question number 32. Which compound has the highest boiling point? So immediately I'm trying to find hydrogen bonds. I'm trying to find a nitrogen bonded to an H, an oxygen bonded to an H, or an F bonded to an H. There's no N's, F's, or O's in that, neither for that. Oh, there's an N bonded to an H there. That would have hydrogen bonding. That's going to be probably my answer. There's an F bonded there, but it's CH3F. The F is bonded to the C, so I've not got a hydrogen bonded to an F. C is my obvious answer. Which compound can polymerize with itself? So what it's got to have is it's got to have one group at one end and a different group at the other end, two different groups at either end, and the one group at the one end can bond to the other group at the other end and form a polymer. So what kind of groups are we looking at? Well, you could have a carboxylic acid group with an OH, except that's two carboxylic acid groups, that's not two different groups. You'd have a carboxylic acid group with an OH, would form an ester. You could have a carboxylic acid group with an NH2, which would form an amide, a polyamide. You could have an acyl chloride, a COCl, maybe with an NH2, that would form hydrogen chloride and would also form a polyester. Not got two different groups. Well, not got a group really that will work. Got two carboxylic acid groups here. We've got an acyl chloride at this end and we've got an NH2 group at this end. So these would keep reacting with each other, and that would form CONH. It would form a series of peptides or amide links and release HCl in a condensation reaction. Your answer is D.